Welcome to Verse of the Day Quran channel. We will read one verse a day. Surah Al An'am, verse 113. First, listen to the verse recitation, then the English translation, followed by the Tafsir Explanation.
وَلِتَصْغَىٰ إِلَيْهِ أَفْئِدَةُ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ وَلِيَرْضَوْهُ وَلِيَقْتَرِفُوا مَا هُم مُّقْتَرِفُونَ.
And it is so, the hearts of those who disbelieve in the hereafter will incline toward it, and that they will be satisfied with it, and that they will commit that which they are committing. Tafsir Explanation. This verse addresses the inclination of the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter toward falsehood. The verse explains that such individuals are drawn to lies, deceptions, and vain desires because of their lack of faith in the hereafter. This attraction to falsehood leads them to be content with false beliefs and actions that are contrary to truth and righteousness. Key points from Tafsir. Attraction to falsehood. The verse highlights how those who reject the hereafter are naturally inclined toward untruths and vain desires. Their hearts are drawn to what is not based on divine guidance. Contentment with falsehood. These individuals not only incline toward falsehood, but also find satisfaction in it. Their hearts are content with the deceptions and lies they follow. Perpetuation of sin. Due to their inclination and contentment with falsehood, they continue to commit sins and wrongdoing. The verse emphasizes that this pattern of behavior is a consequence of their disbelief in the hereafter. Spiritual blindness. The Tafsir often elaborates on how such people are spiritually blind, unable to see or accept the truth due to their preoccupation with worldly desires and pleasures. Divine wisdom. This verse also reflects a broader divine wisdom, where people are given the freedom to choose their path. Those who reject divine guidance are left to follow their desires, leading them further away from the truth. This verse serves as a reminder of the consequences of rejecting the belief in the hereafter and the importance of adhering to truth and righteousness as guided by divine revelation. If you find it beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Islamic content. May Allah bless you all.